It's WAG Chicago. It again is 11/25/2020, day before Zoom giving. Um, Speaking of Zoom giving, um, FEMA, your overlord and parent now, is put out a little ditty here teaching you how to cook. Even this little, see here, look at this. Looky, looky. They even made a little gift file for you right here. They're telling you do not leave this handle off the edge of the stove. That's dangerous. Little child, adult child. See, daddy government's going to protect you. FEMA now has to tell you how to cook. Due to social distancing precautions, many of us may be attempting to cook a holiday meal for the first time this year. That's more dangerous than the karachi is. Just saying. Especially if you're going to deep fry this MF. But whatever. Why bother anyways? Just go get some turkey, what do you call it? Turkey lunch meat from your closed grocery store and pretend you ate a turkey. I don't know what to tell you. But FEMA's going to protect you. From frying a turkey to make pies, to making pies, be sure to follow safety tips to prevent cooking fires. Number one, from ReadyGov, it's almost turkey time. Practice these safety tips while cooking, right? Number one, keep kids. Here we go. No kids allowed. Can't have any company, so why would there be kids over? Keep kids, pets, and flammable items away from the heat sources. Yay! Number two, use your grill and fryer only outside. Do not use a fryer in the house. Okay? They're dangerous outside alone. But if you got it in your house, you may want to call FEMA and ask them what you got to do. Never, and so we can check that one off. Do not cook. I wouldn't cook a fryer in your house, but hey, you can do whatever you want, right? It used to be a free country. Never leave cooking food unattended and use a timer. Don't forget, this handle over there needs to be over here. Spin the thing around. See, children, adult children, I mean. Doesn't it feel good that daddy wants to tell you what to do? You're being groomed, people. You're being groomed, just like these guys do to children. You're doing it. You're consenting. In 50 plus years of living, I've never missed a Thanksgiving unless I had to work. Have a great day, everybody.